Here's information regarding the appropriate height for an industrial electrical disconnect. You asked about a potential mounting height of 60 inches and whether that would cause any issues. Yes, there are guidelines for the mounting height of electrical disconnects on industrial machines. The National Electrical Code, or NIC, and the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, provide specific requirements for the location and accessibility of electrical disconnects. According to the NEC, electrical disconnects must be located in an accessible location. The NEC does not specify a specific height requirement, but it does state that the disconnect must be readily accessible for operation without the use of portable ladders or stools. ANSI, specifically ANSI/NFPA 70. M&S 2018 Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace provides more specific guidelines for the height of electrical disconnects. For general use, the disconnect should be located at a height between 42 inches and 48 inches above the floor or working surface. In hazardous locations, specifically areas classified as Class 1, Division 1 or 2, the disconnect should be located at a height between 5 feet, which is 60 inches, and 6 feet, which is 72 inches, above the floor or working surface. There are several considerations for mounting height. 1. Accessibility. The disconnect should be easily accessible to authorized personnel for operation and maintenance. 2. Visibility. The disconnect should be visible from the operator's position or other designated control points. 3. Hazard avoidance. The disconnect should be mounted at a height that minimizes the risk of accidental contact or operation. 4. Code compliance. The mounting height must comply with applicable electrical codes and standards. Based on the guidelines provided by the NEC and ANSI, mounting an electrical disconnect at 60 inches above the floor is generally acceptable, especially in Class 1, Division 1 or 2 hazardous locations. However, it is important to ensure that the disconnect is readily accessible and complies with all applicable code requirements. It is also recommended to consult with a qualified electrician for guidance on specific mounting requirements for your particular application.